It's new exhaust time. Let's get into it.
I found myself scrolling through Facebook Marketplace like every car enthusiast ever. Whilst I was scrolling, I found this on the parts page. An Outlaw WRC exhaust system. It was only 3 hours away from me, so I had to buy it. We started off by getting the car on the ramp and removing the back end of the exhaust system. My old exhaust comes in 2 pieces and the new one comes in 3. Once the second pipe was removed, I thought it'd be a great idea to seize the opportunity and upgrade my gearbox mount. This is a Revo gearbox mount, which is definitely worth upgrading if you haven't already. After Ches gave it a good whack with the mallet, we fitted the part, and it fit like a glove.
There goes the gearbox is in, the gearbox mount even. It's definitely more solid now. What do you think then, Ches?
Yeah, nice.
So there we go, the old exhaust is off now, and that is the new one. So you can see this one here, this is an Outlaw exhaust. This one has a 4-inch muffler exhaust section, and then the rest of it is a 3-inch as well. So I imagine it's going to be pretty loud. Also bought some new rubber mounts. So that there's the old mount. You can see it's starting to go a bit soft. And I've got this one here that's hopefully going to be a bit more solid. So that'll stop my exhaust from rattling. I know they say size doesn't matter, but look at this big boy. Ooh! In she goes, boy, the big old unit. There she is. Pipe is all in, all the way to that turbo. What do you think of this, Ches? Yeah? It's alright?
Yeah, it's alright.
So you're telling me now we can start this and hear it, yeah? Was there anything else?
Plug the lamp sensors in and stuff.
Oh, Lambie sensors, and then we can hear what that sounds like. Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Like odd. Up and down.
Right, better start her up and hear what she sounds like. Let's go.
Ready?
So you can clearly hear my exhaust is too loud. And I'm wondering, well, how's my car going to pass noise emissions? I wish something would just jump out of thin air and land in my... Oh, wouldn't you look at that? I got a silencer! So for a few of you that don't know what this is a silencer. So how it works is, you insert it into the end of your muffler, using a nut and bolt to hold it in place. So I'm going to have to drill a hole into my exhaust to hold it. And then the noise travels through your exhaust and hits this wall here, and it bounces out, trapping the noise in there, which obviously makes it a little bit quieter. And the diameter here as well that you can see has shrunk it from half the size to a 2-inch pipe. So I'm hoping this is going to work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to jack the car up, get an access for the drill to get in underneath the exhaust to drill a hole, so then I can clamp the silencer in the muffler. So right, oh, it's like Babe Station here, isn't it? Oh, it's lovely. Anyway, so the plan is, I'm gonna put a mark on, gonna put the silencer in,
and I'm going to get a rough idea where I'm going to cut in underneath. So that is a plan. Let's go. Well, that's easy. I'm going to just drill a hole here. Job's a good one. That's going to be there. Give or take.
Right, always make sure you wear your safety gear.
Right, so I got a hole in there. Started off with a 2.5mm, and now I'm going to put 5mm in then to make it a bigger hole. Time to drill this one, boy. That one's for you, Sam. Right, if this bolt doesn't fit now, George is going to leave me. There we go. Look at that. There it is, guys. We have fitted a silencer. And obviously that's all closed up, but it doesn't sound too loud now, which is very good. So with noise regulations, as I can see online, it says here that it must be 100 decibel limit, strict 100 decibels, which is measured by half a meter from the exhaust outlet and up to 4.5 revs with the meter held at a 45-degree angle. So I have myself a tape measure, and I also have myself a, oh, what's it called again?
Isn't it a sound tester?
Bring the 4.5. Just done the test, and we have got 99.9. Shit me up sideways. Let's put that silencer on and see if it makes a difference. Right, so I've got the decibel meter again. I fit on that silencer, so now let's trial this out. Yeah, 4.5. Right, so the results are in, and we got 95 decibels, which is good because it restricts us, so we're not on the 100 mark, which is great success. So that's it for today's video. Obviously, if you've enjoyed it, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe for future content, and I'll see you next video. Bye.
Everybody wanna step up and get up tonight. Everybody know I'm with it whenever, okay, you know